A very good morning to all of you. Today we discuss the topic phases of teaching. शिक्षण के चरण. Teaching is a systematic and purposeful process. It does not happen instantly. It proceeds through three important phases. First, preactive phase means पूर्व सक्रिय चरण. Interactive phase, सक्रिय चरण. Post-active phase, पश्चिम सक्रिय चरण. These three phases together ensure that teaching is planned, executed and evaluated effectively. Pre-active phase, it means planning before teaching. This is the planning stage of teaching. Before entering the classroom, the teacher prepares and organizes everything required for the effective teaching. Pre-active means classrooms में जाने से पहले की प्रक्रिया को हम pre-active phase कहते हैं, जिसमें कि हम पहले से क्या तैयारी कर चलते हैं. मेन क्या है? डिटर्मिनिंग इंस्ट्रक्शनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, व्हाट स्टूडेंट शुड लर्न, analyzing learners' needs, interests, backgrounds, selecting the content or subject matter, deciding teaching methods and strategies, preparing lesson plans, teaching aids and material, organizing the sequence of learning activities. Example, before teaching, photosynthesis. The teacher plans objectives like students will understand the process of food formation in plants, prepares a chart of the process and plans to use a demonstration method. Interactive phase means सक्रिय चरण, एक्चुअल टीचिंग एंड क्लासरूम इंटरेक्शन. मतलब जो क्लासरूम में जाते ही हमारा होता है टीचर स्टूडेंट्स का इंटरेक्शन, दैट इज इंटरेक्टिव फेज. दिस इज implementation stage. The teacher now interacts with students in the classroom and presents the lesson. Main actives: presentation of content using explanation, decisions and examples, asking questions to check understanding and maintain attention, encouraging students participation and active learning, use of teaching aids like charts, models or videos. Example, during teaching photosynthesis, the teacher explains the process, shows a diagram, asks questions to students to label parts and answer their questions. Post-active phase, evaluation and reflection. This is the evaluation phase which occurs after the lesson. The teacher assesses how far the objectives have been achieved and reflects on the effectiveness of the teaching. Main actives: conducting tests or quizzes to measure learning outcomes, providing feedback students, reflecting on what went well, what needs improvement, recording results for future planning, modifying the teacher's plan based on the student's performance. Example, after teaching photosynthesis, the teacher conducts a short quiz, reviews answers and plans remedial teaching for students who had difficulty understanding. Summary for preactive phase, meaning planning before teaching. की कंटेंट्स क्या है? सेटिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव, सिलेक्टिंग कंटेंट एंड लेसन प्लान. इंटरेक्टिव में क्या होता है? एक्चुअल टीचिंग एंड इंटरेक्शन फेज इन द क्लासरूम, प्रेजेंटेशन, क्वेश्चनिंग एंड पार्टिसिपेशन. पोस्ट एक्टिव मीन्स बाद में क्या है? इवैल्यूएटिंग आफ्टर टीचिंग, आपका टीचिंग के बाद पूछना, क्वेश्चंस करना, असेसमेंट, फीडबैक और रिफ्लेक्शन. कंक्लूजन, teaching is a continuous cycle of planning, action and reflection. A good teacher always prepares before teaching, interacts effectively during teaching and evaluates constructively and effective teachers. Effective teaching begins with the thoughtful planning, lives through meaningful interaction and grows through the honest reflection. पूर्व सक्रिय चरण means शिक्षण की योजना बनाना. पूर्व means post, pre-active phase और सक्रिय चरण में शिक्षण का वास्तविक क्रियान्वयन मीन्स इंटरैक्टिव. पश्चात सक्रिय चरण मूल्यांकन और सुधार, मतलब पोस्ट एक्टिव फेज. एग्जाम्पल, इफ अ टीचर हैज़ टू टीच द टॉपिक photosynthesis, pre-active phase, the teacher plans objectives, students should understand the process of photosynthesis, prepares charts, selects method, demonstration and explanation. Interactive phase क्या है? The teacher explains, shows a diagram and asks questions to students to encourage the discussion. Post-active phase, the teacher gives a short test or asks students to explain the process, evaluates understanding and reflects on what to improve next time. कंक्लूजन यानी कि निष्कर्ष, टीचिंग इज नॉट जस्ट द एक्ट ऑफ गिविंग इंफॉर्मेशन. इट इज़ अ साइंटिफिक, artistic and human process aimed at the shaping the learner's mind and personality. A good teacher plans before the teacher interact, be meaningful during the teaching, evaluates and evaluate constructively after teaching. According to Albert Einstein, teaching is awakening job. Teaching is awakening job in creative expression and knowledge. Thank you. Have a good day.